Good afternoon, children. This is 5th standard English class. In our previous class, we have completed the story of Flying Robert and rhyming words, rhyme scheme, writing a funny poem. Yes, till yes 3 we have completed. So today open your workbook, block number 5, S4. Yes, children, this is block number 5, S4. This is reviewing and editing a poem, children. This you have to do when we all sit together with your partners, right? When we communicate with our friends, we can do this. So now, what you are going to do is, you are going to write grammar in the from the grammar guide in classwork. Open grammar guide, workbook, grammar guide, block number 5. Block number 5, analyzing a poem. Analyzing a poem. This rhyme scheme, you are going to write the definition of rhyme scheme and complete the table. I have explained you this in the first class itself, children. Once again, I will read and explain. Lines of a poem often end with rhyming words. Yes, children, in our poem, all the lines ended with rhyming words. The pattern of rhyming lines in a poem is called a rhyme scheme. We use letters of the alphabet to label and describe a rhyme scheme. We wrote rhyme scheme. Remember A, B, B, C, C. Two lines that rhyme are given the same letter. Rhyme scheme can be simple or complex. Here they have given two examples, children. See, Mary had a little lamb whose fleece is very white. Now her sheep is fast asleep. He has been asleep all night. In this, sheep asleep rhyme same. So A and A. White and night rhyme. So B and B. What will be the rhyme scheme for this? AB, AB. See here. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Now see the rhyming words. Is there any rhyming word for red, blue, sweet, you? No. So write just A. Next, blue, you. Blue, you. So write B and B. Sweet. No other word is there, so write just C. What is the rhyme scheme for this poem? A, B, C, B. Okay. Turn the page, children. You have another poem. Same like that. He had given another example. A, B, B rhyme scheme this is. Mary has a little lamb who goes by the name of Pam. Pam the lamb is very white. She is the whitest lamb in sight. Lamb, Pam. Rhyme same. Lamb, Pam. A. White side, B. So for this poem, the rhyme scheme is A, B. See here another one. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice be is also great and would suffice. See, fire, desire, again fire. So even if you leave one line, the rhyme scheme should not change when they rhyme the words. Okay. So what is the rhyme scheme for this poetry? AB, AA, BC, BC, B. AB, AA, BC, BC, B. Okay. Now how we are going to write this in classwork, children? Let me tell you how will you write this in classwork. First you are going to write the heading, rhyme scheme, write the definition, example 1, example 2, leave one line and write it clearly, neatly. This is example 1, example 2, example 3 and example 4. Is it clear? With different rhyme schemes. That's why I am asking you to write it separately. Don't do a table, children. Write as example 1. Rhyme scheme. Example 1. Rhyme scheme A, B, A, B. Write this poetry. Example 2. Down you write. Leave one line and write example 2. Rhyme scheme A, B, C, B. Write this poetry. Leave one line. Example number 3. Rhyme scheme A, A, B, B. Write this. Leave one line, write example number 4, rhyme scheme A, B, A, B, C, B, C, B. Write this poetry. And end with a line. So, you have to complete your workbook S1, S2, S3. In classwork, you are going to complete keywords, meanings, make sentences and grammar from grammar guide, children. Don't forget to complete all this. Is it clear, children? So, by this our session ends, children, and we have completed with our block number 5. Meet you in the next session with a new block. Thank you.